Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? We know that the solution will be we know that one day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. Right? 1 equal to 24 hours. Right? One day is equal to 24 hours. Now, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Therefore, if we find the fraction, then out of 12, 24 hours, how many hours? 8 hours. 8 by 24. Right? If we change into lowest term, 8, that is 8 1 8, and 3 8 24. That is 1 by 3 part. Therefore, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? 1 by 3 of a day is 8 hours. Therefore, 1 by 3, 1 by third, 3 of a day is 8 hours. Right? Again, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. Right? Therefore, out of 24 hours, 8 hours. That's 8 by 24. That is 8 and 8, 8 3 24. 1 by 3. Therefore, 1 by 3 of a day is 8 hours. This is the solution of question number 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.